Once again, I got the original heavy-duty Braun mandolin here and the cut-proof butcher glove. Just running a few carrots, just pushing them through here real quick. Takes about this long to do one carrot. Okay, just like that. Nice. Nice cut. Hello, Chef here. I've got this Braun mandolin. I've been using this thing for over 15 years. Works beautiful. People often ask me, how do you sharpen a mandolin? Well, there's a few ways. One of them is remove all the screws and bolts on there and take everything apart and sharpen each blade one by one. Takes too much time for me. I'm a busy guy. So, here we go. I'm going to sharpen this mandolin using these small diamond sharpening files. These files come, let me see, we've got red, which is 600 grit, blue is 325, and green is 1500 grit. So I'm going to be using the green one, which is very fine, and I'm going to open this mandolin up as far as it'll open. And first I'm going to start with the blade that goes straight across. Now, to do that safely, I'm going to put on a pair of Kevlar gloves. If you don't have Kevlar gloves, well, you know where to get them. ChefDepot.com. All right, so to sharpen this mandolin, I'm going to zoom in for you and show you just what I'm doing here. Start with just this flat right across with a very slight angle. And we're just going to remove the burr. I can see the burr. Definitely this mandolin's been used a lot. That's okay, it's a great tool. However, all tools, knives, you know, even food processors, everything, sooner or later, they need to be sharpened a little bit. So all I'm doing right now is just removing the burr, and you can see this diamond sharpener, man, is it fast. Look what I just did right there. Okay, you can see all the metal particles right along there. And yeah, it's taking metal off, it's getting sharper. So now, once I've got the burr off the top, I'm going to move to the bottom. And this basically is just a very thin metal blade, stainless steel, but very thin piece. I can still feel a little burr right here. And the bottom, we're going to go just at an angle, a little bit more of an angle, to remove those burrs. So people ask me, how do I sharpen a mandolin? Well, you guys know. This is how. That's about it. We're going to test this baby out in just a minute. Okay? Lots of metal on there. And lots of metal on there. I'm going to wipe it off and check it. We're all done. I want you to see just how much metal I removed here. There you go. It's quite a bit. Definitely, it's sharper, and we're going to be testing it out on some vegetables. But watch the other videos. There's a lot more videos to come, and now you know how to sharpen a mandolin. I've got a real quick garnish idea for you. If you guys are doing appetizers or sushi or salad or whatever and you want a quick little garnish, here's one you've probably never seen before. So I'm going to take a piece of celery like this and just give it a couple of cuts. First I'm going to give a little bit of more of a cool profile and just decorate it a little bit. My scraps, by the way, are going to go in chicken stock. This is always used for something, okay? Just a real quick garnish for you right here. A downward cut like this right here. And a couple of these cuts, pretty cool. Very simple. Anybody can do this. Okay, you need a sharp knife, of course. And there we go. You see what I've done so far. Cool. And then these baby carrots. I'm not a fan of these peeled baby carrots. I'd never buy these, by the way. Someone gave them to me, so that's why I'm utilizing them today. So the baby carrots, we're going to just do some thin slices like this. And we're going to put a few slices of our carrots in each of the cuts that we've made already, like this. Okay. Just like that. Okay, so that right there is my carrot celery. Cool, huh? Yeah, I better show you one more. So if you're stuffing your celery on the opposite side, very simple. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut a little off at a little angle like this. Save these scraps, of course. It's all going to get used. And I'm going to just do another quick pattern, something like this. And then this is just going to add a little more coolness and a little different texture, but people are going to go, wow, never seen that before. Hey, that's right. Here you go. That's a pretty cool looking piece of celery right there. And then same deal with the carrot. So you want to switch it up and add a little carrot. We're going to just do a couple thin slices. Man, I'm talking thin slices. Look at that. So I don't think you can go any thinner than that. Not if you're moving quickly. So this is my second carrot celery garnish. You know what? They're not staying on there, so let's add a little slit down the middle here. Okay, I'm actually planning for you to stuff this with some Boursin cheese or cream cheese or something along the lines like that, but just for now I'm going to wedge these in like this. Okay. Okay, there you go. 2 celery carrot garnishes. Nice. A little bit of Boursin cheese or herb cream cheese in there. You're set. You've made some appetizers now. If you can create these that cost very, very little. Thanks for watching. Support your sponsor. Have a great day. Yeah, from another angle. There you go. Pretty cool. I like them, and you can use these, like I said, catering or at a party. Very simple, very, very inexpensive. Yeah.